Hi, I'm Jonny Swift, the PPC freelancer, and today I'm going to show you how to find your site links within your Google Ads account, how to change them, add to them, or even remove them if you want. First of all, before we get into this, I'm just going to talk about why site links actually matter. For example, they can send you to a specific page. For example, if you are selling women's shoes, you might see to do with soles. For example, well, we've got Adidas shoes here, and you can see how they use their site links to promote men's shoes, women's shoes, just to get people quicker to their relevant category page. It's also a good place to highlight offers and promotions. You can direct traffic to contact pages. For example, you might have a contact me page if you are a service-based business, and also to pre-qualify visitors before they click on your ad. And I recommend everybody to run site links if you do not currently have them. You can improve click-through rate, conversion rate, getting them to the specific page that you want. Also can improve quality score over time. Quality score is something that improves over time and tries to show that shows Google that your ad is relevant to what you are promoting, and also can help overall to lower per acquisition, which is what everybody wants. So to jump straight into this, I am on the relevant campaign, for example, where I am now, and all you need to do is go to the ad where you want to change the site link. Things to note is that if you change a site link on an ad, it changes it across the entire campaign you are editing on. So for example, if you have, for example, this campaign and there are many ad groups within this campaign, it will change the site link across all of them, just for you to know. And then click on the ad you want to change. Here you'll see the headline, description and stuff. All you need to do is scroll down to the bottom, and here is where the site links live. For example, I've got very relevant site links when it comes to this ad. This is a film production company, so I'm showing their show reel, videography, about us, contact us page, things that are relevant to what people might be wanting when they click on the ad, or when people are just searching for the ad. And here you have a few options. You've got the delete button, which if you've got a site link in there that you just want to get rid of, click on this. You have an edit, for example, if you find out that this link does not work, you can just click on, you can edit this, edit description, headline, etc., and then click on save. Or there's another edit button here, which a lot of people get up to. Here you can do similar things, but you can also create brand new ones or choose things that existed previously. So you can click on create, you can create one from scratch here, then click on save and then save again. And here you will see your site links. As you can see, there are 2 account level site links as well. I'm going to show you how to find them just now. But first, if you are happy with all that, just click on save ad here. So if you're wondering where the account level site links are, you need to go to campaigns, assets, and then assets again. Go to site link within this list. And here you will see account level site links. These ones look like they've been created by Google because asset optimization has been turned on. But if you want to get rid of these, just click on this green button or whatever color it is, and click on pause or remove, whatever you want to do. And that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. And I create many guides when it comes to Google Ads, so you might find some of them useful as well. Thank you very much.